Week 4 of winter brings the big Feast of the Winter Star. To start off, you will get a letter in the mail on the 18th with your Secret Santa. Giving a loved gift to this person will give them 5 times the friendship points. You must have this item in your inventory when you enter the festival. The day before the festival, I like to decorate and prep for Santa, which includes leaving milk and cookies out. If you want to get dressed up for the occasion, you can tailor your own Santa suit. You can get the Santa hat from Hat Mouse for 2,000 gold. If you have a sewing machine or access to Emily's, you can bring some cloth along with holly, pepper, and a cranberry or strawberry. You can tailor the entire outfit this way. Don't forget to sell something on the 24th so you can catch Santa and his reindeer on the shipping screen that night.
Hey guys, wake up, it's Christmas!
If you left out milk and cookies, you will get up to 2 gifts in the form of mystery boxes when you wake up on Christmas morning. On the way to the festival, you can stop and talk to Pam, who is planning on getting completely inebriated on some festive drink at Gus's. During the festival, you can stop by the stand and get winter banners and a Christmas tree along with other items that show up randomly each year. Having a talk with Leah and Gus is always a must. I love his enthusiasm for his craft. Be sure to stop and talk to Willie. He will tell you the lovely story of the legend of the Winter Star. I wish I knew who was being mean to Linus to make him think he isn't welcome. It's probably Abigail. And of course, Harvey forgot about all of the times I passed out in the mines. I can't prove it, but somehow Lewis cheated his way to my Secret Santa. When you get your gift from the villager that got you, there is always one item that everybody wants: the tea set. Sadly, I did not get it this year and have only gotten it 2 times in my entire time of playing the game. On the next day, be sure to get those mystery boxes opened at Clint's. I was ironically hoping there would be coal. Here is a tip I wish I knew when I first played. When Gus sends you on a quest for an albacore, he does not mean a tuna. Albacore can be caught in the ocean during winter and fall. The last couple days of winter are a good opportunity to get your crop areas organized by setting out your sprinklers where you want them. This will also be the last chance to get sea cucumbers until next fall, and squids, which only come out during winter. One really important thing to do on the last day of the year is spreading out grass starter everywhere on the farm, especially where your animals will be grazing in the spring. Your starters will grow dramatically overnight when spring hits. If you enjoyed this Stardew Valley tips and tricks video, be sure to like and subscribe.